In this video, I'll show you how to change text size in AutoCAD using a simple and practical method that improves both readability and drawing presentation. Start by locating the text you want to edit, then double-click it to open the Text Editor tab. Once inside the editor, highlight the specific text or text block you want to resize. In the upper section of the interface, you'll find the text height box, which controls the current text size. Simply replace the existing value with your preferred height, and AutoCAD will instantly update the text on screen. This real-time preview makes it easier to adjust sizing until it looks balanced within your drawing. Keep in mind that text size should remain consistent with your drawing scale and plotting requirements to avoid readability issues later. It's also helpful to use text styles for larger projects, since they allow you to manage font settings more consistently across multiple annotations. Small adjustments like this can make technical drawings look significantly cleaner and more professional. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you draft smarter and work more efficiently in AutoCAD.